Hi, my name's Erin Barker, and I'm the author and illustrator of Mr. Pumpkin's Tea Party. I'm here at Blue Manatee Literacy Project and Bookstore here in Cincinnati, Ohio, and today we are going to draw Mr. Pumpkin. So let's get started. So we're going to start by drawing a rectangle with curved edges, and that is going to be Mr. Pumpkin's head. And then we're going to draw a big line to make his hat because he is always wearing a top hat. So I first did Pumpkin as an Inktober sketch, which is just an exercise that some illustrators do in October. And I drew a pumpkin and a skeleton having tea. So my editor, Amy, saw that Inktober sketch and said, you know, I think this would make a really cool picture book. My favorite part about drawing Mr. Pumpkin is probably drawing his suit because it has lots of really fun little details. We've got his jacket, we've got his vest, he's got a fun little tie going on here, and it just really sets him apart from a lot of the other characters. Pumpkin has really long legs, and every time I draw him, I actually think of my grandpa, who also had really long legs, and he would sit with his legs crossed just like this, and every time I draw him, I think of my grandpa. Finishing touches here. We've got his leaf, and then a little curlicue that comes off at the top. And there he is. So that's basically Mr. Pumpkin in a nutshell. If you're interested, Mr. Pumpkin's Tea Party is available September 3rd at your local indie bookstore. Or you can pre-order it now at indiebound.org. Mr. Pumpkin has meant a lot to me over the past few years, and I can't wait to share him with you. I'm really, really excited. Thanks a lot. Bye.